Alright guys, our first recording encoding will be the problem that we're going to solve will be two sum. Problem two sum is that we have an array. Let's name our array now. Let's have 2, 7, 11, 15, and we have a target 9. So what we need to find is that we have to return an indices or two number from this array that add up to get targets. And here we have 2, we have 7. When we add those two, we have 9. So our output will be we have to return index of 2, which is 0, index of 7, which is 1. So we have what we're gonna do. We're gonna have to code in 2. I'm gonna have to code in 2. I'm going to go two times, one in Java and one in Python. So let's do Java. We have to name our class. We got to name the solution. We have to name our methods to be public. Return type. Our ends to name our method to sum. Parameter, we have int the array. We can name our array something else instead of sum. Let's name it no, yeah, it's none. So let's name it none. And we have an int target. Our first for loop. I should be less than the length of the array minus 1. Another for loop. Since we're looking for 2 indices, we're looking for 2, let's say 2 integer. We'll now call the second for loop j, and j equal I plus 1. J less than none. and J++. So like if none in this I plus none, there's an S here, as index G equal target, then we find our indices and then we return. We return those indices, right? This should be here, okay? I don't have much space, that's the reason why I'm putting down there. So close this if, close this for loop, and we'll close this for loop as well. And we return, we find it here, so we're done. We return. If we didn't find anything, we return it empty. Our indices. And you close our method and we close our class. So this is the Java. This is the Java solution. Java sorting this. So I'm gonna have to go now and do in. I'm gonna have to go and do in Python. Okay. So we can have two. We have two ways of solving it. Class name in Python. Okay, so you're gonna be class solution, right? Parameter object. We're gonna have a def of the method. We're gonna have a for loop as well. And another for loop for G as well. And here will be a little different. We're gonna have to plus R in here. You're gonna start with R plus 1, right? Don't forget that. That's a rule right there. I'm missing. So for loop. If none, that's I plus none, and the J equal target. I'm gonna write target here because I have no more space down there. Then we return or if we didn't find anything, then from the definition we return of the class, we return empty. So this is Java, this is the Python, and then Java solving of that to sum. Now for those two, we're gonna have to our time complexity will be right our time complexity will be n square, since we're going to the array twice here with I and with J, right? You can see here with the Java as well, we have two for loops here. So we have I here, with J there. So we'll go to the array twice, so which will be time complexity will be On, and space complexity is On, since it's just linear time. The array is not growing. The space that the array is taking is not growing exponentially, so it's just linear time. So this is to solve for you guys. Let me know what the comments are. Let me know what do you want me to solve next. I would love to write in the comment. And if you like what I do, subscribe and like the channel. Well, thank you, and I see you guys for the next problem to solve, right?